my eyes.
Who is it? Is it Masha SuperGirl TV? Or Lion?
Yeah.
Lion? And who is here? This is the secret life of pets toys. And this is Chloe. Show me, Masha, what she can do. Who is next, Masha? Who is it?
Max.
Max. Do you know what he can do? Show me, please. Wow! Cool. Beautiful. He can jump. Very nice. Do you like it?
Yes.
Which one is next, Masha? Who is that? What is his name?
Duke.
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 Yeah, it's Duke. Yours. This is Duke. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Who is here? Oh, this is White Rabbit. And his name? This is Snowball. Oh! Look at his eyes! Wow! Did you see that? Oh. Nice. And this is Snowball. And who is the last one? This is Buddy. You can transform his body from different ways. Oh, look at that. He's amazing. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, Masha wanna play. And Duke is here. Buddy and Chloe. Who will be first? Chloe. Who's next? Buddy. And Duke. Boom. Max! And Snowball! And now Masha! Masha's turn! Cool! Hey guys! I think we find the Kinder Surprise from Ice Age! It's Manny, Diego, Sid, and who is it, Masha?
Jungle.
Wow! Masha! Look! Who's here?
Nima.
Nemo! Got it, Masha! Скорее, Камзинка. Okay, we find one more egg. And let's take a look. Maybe we will find something else. Masha, look! Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Now guys, you know what your pets doing when you not stay at home. They go into the playground and they're looking for Kinder surprises. They like it too. Oops, Snowball is falling down. Here you are. They all fall down. Oh my god, Masha, pick it up. Pick it up. Oh guys, I hope you're okay. Yeah? Max and Buddy. Sorry guys, it's too fast for you. Just slowly and gentle. Slowly and gentle. Wow! 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 It's falling down again. Are you guys ready for adventures? Yeah, Masha? Let's go! Yahoo! Boom! 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 Oh my gosh! Everyone fall down again! Oh! I will help you guys! And keep it in my basket. You will be safety here. And Chloe, pick it up. Meow, I'm so tired. Let's go home and open our Kinder surprises. I wanna open it. This is Nemo. And this is Spider-Man. Okay, Masha, what do you want to open first? The Ice Age. This one, I think it's Alien. You find the alien? You can put this alien inside of ring and he will walk. Peekaboo! I see you. And this is whole collection of Ice Age. Oh.
Hey, Mommy, I see this one.
The spoon? Are you looking for spoon? Do you want to try the chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and the next we open the Spider-Man. It's raisin inside. Whole collection. This one is our. Wow. Nima is next. And who inside? Oh, what? Beautiful! It's Nemo. This is whole collection. It's so nice. Oh, really beautiful Nemo. Wow, it's already open. I think it's Crazy Friends again. Look, he can change his color of face in different temperatures. If we will put it in the cold water, he will be blue. He will have a blue face. Now it's white face, and we need cold water. And this is Crazy Friends. This is our cold water. You see, this is ice here inside.
I wanna touch ice.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Let's pull it out.
Show me his face. It's white. So now it must be blue. Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, yeah, it's blue. You see? Now it's blue.
I see a blue.
He cold. I'm cold. The blue face. Open hot water, Masha. Open water. It starts to be white. Now it's white. You see? It's blue again.
Yeah.
Now it's bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And goodbye.
And goodbye.
Thumbs up. And subscribe on our channel, please. Masha SuperGirl TV. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.